Welcome to the deep dive. So today we're jumping into something pretty specific from the world of professional AV infrastructure. We're looking at a piece of tech that solves a really fundamental problem with distance. The PureLink HOF T2.0 RX 4K 60 HDMI over fiber receiver.
Right.
And our mission here is to figure out how this one box provides this, powerful solution for sending signals over these huge distances.
And let's frame that challenge for a second. It's not just about the distance. It's about keeping the signal perfect. We're talking 4K, 60 frames a second, without any degradation or electrical noise.
Which is where normal cables fail.
They fail fast. So this receiver, using pure fiber, is really the only way to do it right.
So it's the whole package, Ultra HD, the full HDMI 2.0 spec, audio, control signals, all of it. Okay, look, let's unpack this.
And this is where we immediately hit the ceiling of, consumer-grade technology.
How so?
This thing supports resolutions up to 4K at 60 Hz with 4.4.4 HDR. That 4.4.4 part is so critical.
Right, that's the full uncompressed color information.
Exactly. No compression. It's essential for professional graphics, medical imaging, anything where color accuracy is absolute. And that fidelity, well, it demands a full 18 GBps of bandwidth.
Okay, hang on. 18 gigs over that kind of distance. I mean, why not just, chain a bunch of cheaper copper extenders together?
That's a really good question. So a couple of things. First, the distance. This supports up to 1.24 miles, that's 2,000 meters,
Wow.
over a single strand of fiber. Every copper extender you add is another point failure. It adds latency, it adds signal loss.
It just gets weaker and weaker.
Right. But maybe even more important is EMI, electromagnetic interference.
Ah, the noise.
Total immunity. You could run this fiber cable right next to a massive power line, and nothing. The signal is perfectly clean. It's truly lossless transport.
So you've got this perfect picture, totally secure, over a mile away.
Yeah.
But you need more than just a picture for a full setup, right?
Absolutely. And the audio pipeline, it completely matches the video quality. We're talking the full cinematic suite.
Like Dolby Atmos and all that.
Dolby Atmos, DTS:X, LPCM 7.1, Dolby True HD, all of it. And keeping that perfectly synced over 2 kilometers is, frankly, an engineering marvel.
And what about control? You have to be able to talk back to the source equipment from that far away.
That's the other critical piece. It has bidirectional IR and RS-232 built right in.
Which are the industry standards for remote control.
Exactly. So you don't need to send a technician a mile and a half away just to turn off a projector. You can integrate it into a central control system.
So it's all managed remotely?
All of it. Plus, it has 2 USB Type-A ports. So you can even plug in a keyboard and mouse and control a remote computer.
Okay, and there's one more spec here that seems, well, it's super important in certain environments. Compliance.
It's TAA-compliant.
Which is a huge deal for government or military contracts.
A huge deal. It means it meets all the U.S. government requirements for country of origin. This isn't just a powerful device. It's certified for deployment in really high security installations.
So if we boil it all down, what are we really looking at here? This one receiver solves a whole bunch of problems at once.
It really does. You've got the incredible bandwidth, the insane distance.
It's integrated control.
And that total protection from interference.
Yep.
All in one tidy, fairly small box.
Right.
So when you look at the whole picture, the 1.24 miles, the 18 gigabits per second, the TAA compliance, and then you see the price, which is around $750, it really makes you think. It leads to a final thought for you, our listener. In what kind of situation, maybe a sprawling campus, a defense installation, or some critical infrastructure where a signal failure would be, catastrophically expensive.
Or massive security risk.
Exactly. In those cases, is a comprehensive single-point solution like this just justified, or is it actually the only sensible choice?